Hi, Jason Keeler here, the Property Review Show. Good to see you. Please like and subscribe. Hit that bell and help us support this channel as we build it up. Thank you. And looking at property here in Colombia today, a mansion in Colombia. Yes, indeed. Heading into the Americas, and what a place it is. This one's trending at the moment and doing very well for itself. And we wanted to take a look around. So here's the map here. We're down in Medellin, I believe it's pronounced, and we see Panama up here, and Honduras, Guatemala, El Salvador, Nicaragua, Venezuela over here, Miss Venezuela, and of course there it is. So Colombia up the top. Let's take a look at this mansion, and it is indeed. Look at this pool with this rock waterfall thing going on here. That's magnificent. Lovely lush gardens, some beautiful tiles throughout here. And let's take a look around from the other side. Look at the gardens here. Wow, we are in it to win it for sure. Lovely steps up and brick exterior. Not fashionable as much these days, but still low maintenance on the red brick. And this amazing rock feature. This is just tremendous here. Absolutely tremendous just behind me. And that's just fabulous. Love the steps in and these circles here. With the tiles, comprehensive, and the views to the hills, mountains, magnificent, including that big tree there. There's a different perspective of the whole estate, and you can see where it's nestled amongst this incredible area. Paving as we come in from yesteryear, looks like an 80s feel to it. And then we see this massive column here coming up to the front of the house. Lots of palms, big steps, commanding, impressive, making it look Colombian. And for sure, inside we go, bit of yesteryear, big pitched roof, timber exposed, lovely balcony here with this lovely steel rods. And then we see a step up, split level into the dining room and chandelier area. And this green top on this one. So lovely big space, enjoyable, relaxing. It'll be quite humid here and warmer. I'm not sure what's going on here. This is a lady looking rather interesting, balancing on this ball or glass, and that's interesting. But look at the place, just lovely, big, open plan. Yes, indeed, there it is. Lots of artworks and lots of detail here. I love this glass horse in the frosted glass there. We see a different tile here. This grey is very nice as we come through, but of course it's dated. It's yesteryear, but it is a mansion from Colombia, and we see the round window here with some stained glass in there. So lots of different things going on here. Lots of different things from a couple of decades, 80s, 90s, I would say. And but a beautiful big space. Look at this bedroom, huge. This is an old style here too from the 90s. That terracotta color inside, and then lush gardens outside, looking pretty impressive. Loving the spa bath here with the 80s windows or 90s windows, aluminium frame and brown looking out, very common in that time. And but still a cool mansion. It is indeed. Split system on the aircon here in the wall, one of those systems. And then lush gardens. Looks like we've got stables here, and fantastic setup for sure. And nestled in those mountains makes it really, love this stream trickling through. Isn't it fabulous? Imagine walking along there, relaxing, reading a book up here, listening to the water trickling along. It would be certainly fabulous. And on site, of course, in Colombia, quite common in mansions, you have we saw it in Sicily the other day. We did Italian, Sicily, Sicilians. And if you ever meet a Sicilian, they say, no, we're not Italians, we're Sicilians. In Sicily, they also have churches on mansions as well. But here we go. In Colombia, church on mansion, and amazing lush gardens around. And the cross up there looking rather impressive. Stained glass as well. Tennis courts outside here. Basketball as well. Fabulous. Old lighting here. Old school lighting. But I'm sure it probably still all works. And then a soccer field or a football field, depending on where you're from. You're from Europe. Football. You're from Americas. You're from the Americas. It's soccer. But look at this. Massive and fantastic. Loving the landscape here. This concrete chair. Which would have been put for the owners originally. It would have sat there, read a book, and so forth. So lush, lush, lush. In the Colombian mountains, with horse stables and more. It is a fantastic mansion. It is doing well, and it is, of course, $1.7 million in Medellin, if I pronounced that correctly for any Colombians watching. Thanks for watching. I'm Jason Keeler with the Property Review Show. We'll catch you on the next one as we look at properties here and around the world each week. Catch you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.